Hi everyone, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. So today we're creating stunning marbled nails with a gorgeous jewellery inspired design, so let's dive right in. To create the ink, fill an empty gel bottle a quarter full with gel residue wipe off solution. Extract ink from the sharpies by folding and squeezing the cores, then add the ink to the bottle and shake well to mix. So prepare the nail by buffing it and apply one coat of snow white gel polish as a base and then cure. Using the 3D brush to apply blue, green and black inks in random patches. Blend the colours lightly with alcohol to create a soft marble effect, using the brush to push the ink and define natural looking lines. So once the marble layer is dry, use serious black gel polish to create a thick border around the nail. Flash cure this and apply the custom silver pigment mix to create two thinner parallel borders on top of the black. Fill the gap between the silver borders with dots using the dotting tool and cure for 30 seconds. Finish with a top coat for a glossy professional look. Your stunning bohemian marble jewellery nails are ready. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Drop us a comment below and let us know what designs you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.